Hey, how's it going?
Pretty good, thanks. You?
Did you sleep well?
Not really. I stayed up late.
What are you up to today?
Just staying home and relaxing.
How was your weekend?
It was great. I went hiking.
Are you busy right now?
Not really. What's up?
Did you have breakfast?
Yeah, I had some toast.
What time did you get up?
Around 7.
Are you feeling okay?
Yeah, just a little tired.
How's your day so far?
Not bad. Can't complain.
What's for dinner tonight?
Maybe pasta.
Did you call your mom?
Not yet. I'll do it later.
How's work going?
It's been crazy lately.
Do you like cooking?
Yeah, when I have time.
What are you watching?
Just a show on Netflix.
Are you free this weekend?
I think so. Why?
Did you clean your room?
Not yet. I'll do it soon.
You look tired. Long day?
Yeah, super long day.
Are you ready to go?
Give me 1 minute.
What time is it now?
It's almost 5.
Can you help me for a sec?
Sure. What do you need?
Are you hungry?
A little. Let's grab something.
What are you listening to?
Some chill music.
Are you done with your work?
Almost. Just a few more emails.
What time do you go to bed?
Around 11.
Do you want some coffee?
Sure. Thanks.
It's so hot today.
I know, I'm melting.
Did it rain last night?
Yeah, pretty hard.
What's the weather like today?
It's cloudy, but nice.
Is it cold outside?
Yeah, better wear a jacket.
Looks like it might snow.
Really? That's exciting.
Do you like rainy days?
Only if I can stay home.
It's getting dark early now.
Yeah, winter's coming.
The sky looks beautiful tonight.
Yeah, look at those stars.
I hate this wind.
Me too. It's freezing.
It's such a nice day.
Perfect for a walk.
Is it gonna rain later?
I think so. Better take an umbrella.
It feels like spring today.
Yeah, the air's so fresh.
Do you like summer?
Not really. Too hot.
What's your favorite season?
I love autumn.
The sun's so bright.
Yeah, I need my sunglasses.
Is it windy outside?
A little, not too bad.
I love when it rains at night.
Me too. It's relaxing.
It's freezing today.
Yeah, I can't feel my hands.
Do you like snow?
Only if I don't have to drive.
The air feels nice today.
Yeah, so fresh and clean.
The sky looks so gray.
I think it's gonna rain soon.
I love sunny days.
Same here. It makes me happy.
The weather's perfect today.
Let's go out.
It's too hot to cook.
Let's order takeout.
Can I help you find something?
Yes, I'm looking for a t-shirt.
What size do you wear?
Medium, I think.
Do you like this color?
Yeah, it looks nice.
Is it on sale?
Yeah, 20% off today.
How much is this bag?
It's $39.99.
Can I try it on?
Of course. The fitting room's over there.
Do you take credit cards?
Yes, all major ones.
Do you have this in black?
Let me check for you.
Is there a discount for members?
Yes, you get 10% off.
Where's the checkout?
Right over there.
Can I return this if it doesn't fit?
Sure, within 7 days.
Do you work here?
Yeah. How can I help?
Can I get a receipt, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Do you have this in a smaller size?
Let me see what we've got.
How late are you open?
Until 9 tonight.
Is this your final price?
Yeah, it's already discounted.
Can I pay in cash?
Of course.
Do you sell phone cases?
Yes, right by the counter.
Can I get a bag for this?
Sure. Paper or plastic?
Do you have any special offers today?
Yes. Buy one, get one free.
Can I see that one on the top shelf?
Sure. Just a second.
Is this new?
Yes. Just came in this week.
Do you have a loyalty card?
Not yet. How do I get one?
Are these shoes comfortable?
Super comfy. I love mine.
I'll take it.
Great choice.
Are you hungry?
Starving. Let's eat.
What do you want to eat?
Anything's fine with me.
Let's get pizza.
Sounds good.
Do you want to eat out or order in?
Let's order in. I'm lazy.
What do you usually have for breakfast?
Just coffee and bread.
Are you a coffee person or a tea person?
Definitely coffee.
How do you like your steak?
Medium, please.
Anything to drink?
Just water, thanks.
Do you want dessert?
No, I'm too full.
How's your food?
It's amazing.
Can we get the check, please?
Sure, I'll bring it right over.
Do you cook often?
Not really, only on weekends.
What's your favorite food?
Sushi.
Do you like spicy food?
Love it.
Are you on a diet?
Kind of. Trying to eat less sugar.
What's good here?
The burgers are great.
Do you want to split the bill?
Sure, sounds fair.
Can I get this to go?
Of course.
Is it spicy?
Just a little.
What's your favorite drink?
Iced latte.
Do you want some fries?
Yes, please.
Are you full?
Totally. Can't eat another bite.
Want to grab lunch together?
Sure. Where to?
What should we order?
Let's try something new.